The refreshed Mazda 3 hatchback and vehicle 2024 model year were introduced in Japan, which got another variety and specialized changes. The fourth-era Mazda 3 appeared toward the finish of 2018. Accordingly, the Japanese brand chose to refresh its well-known model. The Japanese rendition of the Mazda 3 is currently accessible in fired metallic. There's likewise another 10.25-inch infotainment show inside. The inside presently includes lighting and USB Type-C ports for charging devices. You can likewise charge your cell phone utilizing remote charging. The Mazda 3's well-being frameworks have additionally gotten to the next level. The vehicle currently accompanies an obliviousness cautioning highlight. It recognizes when the driver is occupied from the street. Likewise, the vehicle has figured out how to identify extra hindrances ahead, including walkers. Mazda 3 will consequently stop in the event of peril. From the CX-60 hybrid, Mazda 3 got support for far-off motor turnover through the My Mazda application. The capability is just accessible for vehicles with programmed transmission. The rundown of standard hardware incorporates the Mazda My Vehicle Care capability, which tells the proprietor of an endeavor to take the vehicle.